Hello children. So today's topic is do not use plastic bag. So we'll start with a short story and then I will tell you why we should avoid using plastic bags. Do not use plastic bags. Sakshi and Payal were classmates. Classmates means member of same class. They studied in same class. So while returning back home from school, on their way, they saw a cow eating plastic bag. Sakshi, she got confused and she asked whether it was good for a cow to eat plastic bag. Payal said, no, not at all. Then they saw a fruit vendor. Vendor is a person who sells things. He sold fruits, so he was a fruit vendor. He was putting some mangoes into a blue plastic bag. Payal went to him and she said, you give fruits to people in those plastic bags and people threw away the plastic bags here and there and animals ate them. That's not good. These bags also make the roads dirty. So you should avoid using plastic bag. Ramlal, he got worried. He asked, then what should he do? How he will sell his fruits to the customer? Customer means the people who buy things. Payal suggested, she gave an idea that you can ask people to bring their own cloth bag from their home. After that, Ramlal never used plastic bags, and he also suggested other vendors not to use plastic bags. So people started to take their own cloth bag to the market to buy their things. Soon there were few plastic bags on the road, and the road, it was clean. Plastic bags makes our environment dirty. Many things like our toys, water bottles, gadgets, many things are made out of plastic. Plastic is very cheap and it is available. But if we throw plastic here and there, it makes our land, water and air very dirty. It also makes our land infertile. Infertile means the land becomes bad and we cannot grow crops properly. It creates air, water and land pollution. It also affects our health. It affects the health of living things. I would like to explain. Even though we throw our waste in a dustbin, it doesn't disappear by its own. It must go somewhere. Garbage carrier or garbage truck take all our waste from our home and they take it to a place called landfill. Landfill is a large land where all the waste are kept. So the waste like our eatables, furnitures, our clothes, it breaks into small pieces and it gets mixed with the land. But plastic, it takes thousands of years. It is not easy to break plastic waste. So they remain there in the land and makes the land infertile. Okay, and some plastic also get blown away to other places, to the water bodies, to other land area, and if the animals they eat them, it is very dangerous for them also. So children, how can you reduce the use of plastic bag? You can say no to plastic bag and you can use your own eco bag. Whenever you and your family members go for shopping, you can carry paper or cloth bag. Cloth bag is more useful because see, I have a cloth bag with me. Whenever I go to market, I take my own cloth bag. Okay, so that I don't bring back home plastic bags from the shop. I put all my vegetables and fruit in my cloth bag. I can also wash it and use it again and again if it gets dirty. So I can reuse it to use again and again. So I can reuse my cloth bag. So you all can also make cloth bag and you can carry whenever you go to market. You can also spread awareness among your friends and family. You can tell people why they should not use plastic bag. You can tell them it is harmful for our environment. It makes our air, water and land dirty. You should try to reuse your things to reduce garbage. See, you can use your cloth bed again and again. You can reuse it. Okay. Also, if you have your old toys and if you don't like it, kindly don't throw it away in the dustbin. It will lie in the landfill for hundreds of years, thousands of years. So instead you can clean it up properly, you can sanitize it and you can give it to someone who doesn't have, so that someone can reuse your toys and they will be very happy to take your old toys. So dear children, say no to plastic bags. Thank you.